Troubleshooting Authorize Net webhook setup can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. First, understand what a webhook is and how it works. A webhook is a callback function that sends notifications to a specified URL when a specific event occurs. In the case of Authorize Net, webhooks are used to notify your server of events such as successful payments or failed transactions. To begin troubleshooting, verify that your webhook is set up correctly in the Authorize Net merchant interface. Check that the URL is correct and the events you want to receive notifications for are selected. Make sure the URL is publicly accessible and can receive post requests. Next, check the Authorize Net webhook logs to see if the notifications are being sent. If the logs show that the notifications are being sent but your server is not receiving them, the issue may be with your server. Check your server logs to see if there are any errors or issues that could be preventing the notifications from being received. Another common issue is that the webhook notifications are being blocked by a firewall or security software. Check your firewall and security settings to ensure that incoming post requests from Authorize Net are allowed. You can also test your webhook by sending a test notification from the Authorize Net merchant interface. If you are still having trouble, check the format of the webhook notifications. Authorize Net sends notifications in JSON format, so make sure your server is set up to receive and parse JSON data. You can also use a tool such as Postman to test and verify the webhook notifications. Finally, make sure to handle any errors that may occur when receiving webhook notifications. This includes handling duplicate notifications and notifications that are sent for events that have already been processed. By following these steps and best practices, you can troubleshoot and resolve issues with your Authorize Net webhook setup and ensure that you are receiving the notifications you need to process transactions successfully.